everyone, I've got some really cute crafts for you to try. I hope you're going to enjoy this video, and if you would subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell. This is the first one. Of course, I'm using the Fix-It adhesive. It works really well. Of course, it comes from Dollar Tree. I think it works just as well as the E6000. So when you're there, pick up one, because whenever I use it, I can't budget. So I'm putting this, it's 2 candle holders that I have put like the tip to tip, and I did spray paint them black outside. And I have this jar that I got at a thrift store. And I will say it's nice to pick up all these glass jars at thrift stores because they are cheaper. I've even picked up those same candlesticks, which are $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, and they are 59 cents sometimes if you get that lucky. I used to get much luckier in Virginia than I do here in Florida. Florida, they seem to put the prices higher. Okay, I did have a little bit of some like overage of the glue, so I was taking it off. I spray painted the top of this lid, so I'm making it into a lantern. I know there were some of those lanterns from Dollar Tree that you couldn't get anymore, so you can find some of these at Dollar Tree. And also, if you do have one of those jars with a flat top, you can take one of their little wooden acorns or even little mushrooms, and you can glue it to the top to make it look like a lid. So I'm just tying some really pretty ribbon to the bottom. I'm just going to tie it. I made a little bow, and I'm going to tie the bow on. Now usually when I make a bow, I just wrap it around my hand, my 4 fingers about 4 times, and then I tie it in the middle. And this one I may have made already for a different project, and that's why it's already made. Otherwise, I would show you how I made it. Now I'm just going to glue it to the ribbon that I tied, because that way it'll have the little tails for the ribbon. And you have to hold it on there for just a little bit so that the glue hardens. I'm going to use some of the greenery and also glue it to the bow. And as you can see, I'm putting a little brush tree in there. And even some greenery. I'm using some of the greenery that you get at Dollar Tree. They have some really pretty branches that have the pine cones attached and the little berries. The only thing about the berries, sometimes they're made out of styrofoam, so sometimes that red rubs off, but you can color it with some paint. I have one of these candles that I got off of Amazon. And I got the bright ones because I like it bright. I think it makes it look more like Christmassy. I like the white bright lights because it just reminds me of Christmas. And there you have it. It's so pretty. It's just a little Christmas cheer. This is a pretty simple one. Probably take you 5 minutes once you spray paint it and let it dry. And then, like at the bottom of the little tails, I'm just cutting them straight. So just make sure you always check those Goodwill shops or the thrift stores for your glassware. And there it is on my table. It's kind of hard to see the light right now because I do have daylight outside. But it's just a simple little lantern. And you can place the little light behind the greenery if you wanted to. I needed to show that to you. All right, DIY number 2 is another candlestick, and it's the black one that I spray painted. Of course, they're clear until you spray paint them. And I got this jar at the Dollar Tree. And it was in the glassware over by the cooking stuff. So, and it's got the little rubber on the inside, like if you were going to put sugar in there, so it wouldn't like let the sugar get like moist, so that it would like harden up. So these are really good, good little Dollar Tree. All right, I'm just going to glue this with my glue gun. If you want to just glue it with your glue gun, because you can then pull it apart after Christmas if you want to use it in something else. If you want it to last forever, use that Fix-It adhesive, or you can use the E6000. So this is like a little mini lantern, and I'm just tying some really pretty plaid black and white ribbon. It's not really plaid, it's checkered, I guess. And then I'm going to tie a little bow on it and glue it with my glue gun. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, and it's very pretty. Now I have these cute little wreaths already made from Dollar Tree, and they are the little tiny ones. I think they come like maybe 6 or 8 in a package, but these are great just when you're doing your DIYs. You can just glue one to any of your little projects, and it gives it a little bit extra Christmas like joy, Christmas joy. And again, I'm using the little candles that I got off of Amazon. This lid's pretty tight, so you could put liquid in there too. I don't think it would spill out. And that is it. It makes a cute little lantern, a little light maybe in your bathroom, on your kitchen counter. It's really cute. And there it is at nighttime. It's really bright. I love the way this is just a simple little DIY. We'd love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, the notification bell. That way you can be a part of our DIY projects and other things that we may show you. And thank you for subscribing. And this is the color changing one. And there's the one I made in the very beginning. It's a little bit taller. Like I said, the glass came from the Goodwill. The candlesticks from Dollar Tree. And then you can add any accessories you want inside. Again, I put the candle on the outside so you could see it, but you can put it behind the tree and the greenery so that you don't see it when it's sitting in your house. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Subscribe, hit the like button, notification bell. Please share it with your family and friends, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.